We're back and we see the island! We see the island! Well, when you get up real close to it. Real close.
I'm filming as well. But I'm not.
Well, you do zoom in and I film your screen. Nah, you can't. So,
Yeah, I can see the castle, but
continue on with the back scratcher or something. Oh, what else?
after
What,
power jack.
by the way, we're talking about TF2 Pyro Melees.
Close to Tumblr, which is the exact same as Extinguisher. Which, yeah, blah 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 blah. Blip, blip, blip. What was after? I did power jack, back scratcher, Extinguisher, postal Tumblr, third degree, and Lollychop. Lollychop's exactly the same as the axe, except it makes you have pyro vision, which is retarded. But third degree is the same as the axe, except looks fancier. And when you hit someone, when you hit someone who's getting healed by a medic, the medic's gonna take damage as well.
Okay.
So that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I forgot. In Pyro there was, I think there was 2 April Fool's items, but then I think they were only up for April Fools or something. There was the Cremator's Touch, which is a flamethrower. It doesn't have reduced damage or anything, same damage as default flamethrower, but your ammo goes down really fast, like one puff of flame and you lose 20 ammo. But the good thing is, you shoot a rapid fire air blast.
I don't like air blasts.
Screw you.
Can you move? I can't show.
Alright, the second, but then the April Fool's Pyro Melee weapon is better, way better. It's called, I think it was Exercises Exhaust. What Exercises Exhaust does is, move your head!
Is move your head?
When you kill a soldier with it, their head turns upside down, which is why this was for April Fool. I'll stop recording, too many people when you hold it, you move really, really fast, like as fast as a scout.
Double jump?
No, you can't double jump, just move as fast as a scout. But the bad thing is when you're holding it, you can run really fast, but you take more damage from bullets, explosives, and
Well, he nearly made me fall. Oh, look at that shit. Oh, this is like the other side. There's like buildings and crap. Ah.
I see a crocodile waiting for us. And that's the end of Thomas Jack.
What else is there? Still building. Dude. Well, let's move to the other side. Whoa! It's amazing! That's the mini bit, and that's the giant bit. But look at that bird.
Mini bit. Not much light.
I know, but it's better when you get closer. Look at that. Wait. Okay, continuing on. Oh, crap. Anyways, continuing on. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this.
Damn, boys. Oh, it's still under construction.
I know. It never said it was completed. Or maybe that bird before was just carrying supplies. American and Canadian. Boat Yacht House Shuttle. Oh crap, I need to take photo again. It's American and Canadian.
Getting blocked by trees right now.
So yeah, that will be the end of this video.
Later, y'all.